How to create Google Translate shortcut on desktop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Google Chrome and then search Google Translate. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find main page of Google Translate. Click on it and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located on top right corner of your screen. Scroll all the way down till you find Cast, Save and Share. There you'll find Create Shortcut. Click on Create and your shortcut has been created. Click on it and it will open Google Translate in Shortcut. And that's how you create Google Translate shortcut on desktop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.